Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to go through kind of the basics of what I did and what needed to be done to do a WRX swap on a Forester. With the interior, I ended up having to splice everything for the front doors, all the wiring, for the window, the switches, and whatnot. It took a minute to chase it down on the same with the passenger side. Had to splice in the climate controls. Running the WRX cluster, I don't have the outer bezel on it. I trimmed the bottom of it to make it fit, to kind of make it look as factory as possible. I have the 07 Forester steering wheel. The manual is from an Impreza, because this was originally automatic. One other thing I had to switch out was the pedal assembly. I got the clutch set up. The clutch pedal assembly is from a 99 Impreza as well. And then I switched out the covers off of it from a WRX. Hack support for WRX for the exhaust, no name one. Then I had a trim on both sides of the exhaust, clear everything and not destroy the plastic too much. And then this is off a 99 Impreza, basically a GC style hood scoop. I cut it in and did all the measurements. Made it look pretty factory in my opinion. That's kind of how I have it set up with the hood opened. I shortened hood strut by like a foot and a half. So when you walk up on it, basically so you can look at the engine and still kind of look up and see the hood scoop and see all the work done. We needed the drivetrain. I did rear differential, transmission all WRX, and then you had to do the front or subframe as a WRX so it could clear the up pipe for the turbo. And obviously full WRX. STI components, I have STI injectors, STI turbo, intercooler, and then it has a 3-puck clutch. I had to customize the radiator hosing to clear my fans. I had to customize the bracket off the WRX for the power steering, and I just came off of my bracket off the ABS. Also had to cut on the back of my fan blades, the little housing right here. Instead of having that little bar coming across right there, I had to cut that out over here to clear it, the hose, so I wouldn't have anything rub. And then I had to do custom brackets for the radiator. For the wiring under here, I had to splice up for the windshield wipers, and they came from over there. I had to rewire for the headlights. WRX swap meet, your Forester or STI swap meet. If you haven't yet, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next videos.